in this next example, we're going to go over how to sell inventory. Okay. In through here, you go where you would set up a new item. Instead of going through and setting up your vendor as you normally would, if you have inventory to sell, you will see the sell inventory button, and you're just going to have to select. I mean, I happen to know that this is the only thing in inventory. So it's going to default and ask you, do you want to use those images? I say yes. Okay, and then now you can see it kind of auto-populates everything that I have on this item in inventory. Okay, we have one available, and this is what the pricing looks like, and this is what we're looking at. Okay, so I'll just do it in the main hallway. Okay. And save and close. And you can see this is the item here. Okay, we're selling it. It's from our inventory. We do have one available. Okay, and this commits the item in inventory to this client. It is not considered sold until we invoice it. So if we were to look at this item in inventory, you can now see that, whoops, it's not on proposal. Whoops, let me put it on proposal. So once it's on a proposal, that commits it, okay? So main hallway accent table. Okay. So let me go back to the item in inventory. So you can now see that it is committed. It will not be adjusted to sold until we invoice, okay? So if somebody else tries to propose it to their client, it won't work, or it'll warn them.